Hi, welcome to the session on binary coded decimal. Myself Josmi Joseph, Assistant Professor of Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss weighted number system, binary coded decimal and conversion between BCD and decimal number. In weighted number system, each digit is assigned a specific weight according to its position. For example, if we have a decimal number 253, we will be writing it as 200 plus 50 plus 3. And this can be rewritten as 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to 0. So here the positional digits are 2, 5 and 3. And base or radix of the number system is 10. And the exponents depends upon the position of the digit. In the rightmost digit will be having exponent 0 and the next one to the left is having exponent 1 and the next digit to the left is having the exponent 2 and so on. Weighted chord means each symbol in the chord is associated with a weight. Example of a weighted code is BCD, known as binary coded decimal. BCD or binary coded decimal is a way to represent each of the decimal digit with a binary code. We have 10 different decimal digits available 0 to 9 and these digits are represented by a binary code of 4 bits in BCD. Only 10 code groups in BCD number system. That means from 0 to 9 we have a bit groups of 4 bits in BCD. And the weight of the BCD numbers are: the rightmost digit will be having a weight 1, that is 2 raised to 0, and the next to the left will be having 2 raised to 1, and the next to the left will be having a weight 2 raised to 2, and so on. So this BCD number system is usually called as 8421 BCD because each of the digit positions will be having weights. 2 raised to 3 means 8, 2 raised to 2 means 4, 2 raised to 1 means 2 and 2 raised to 0 means 1. So usually if we are referring to a BCD system, that is of 8421 type. This table shows the BCD code for the decimals 1 to 9 and the decimal 0 will be having the binary code or the BCD code as 0, 0, 0, 0. Here, other than this 0 to 9, other 4-bit combinations are also there. Those are invalid in BCD. So those invalid combinations are this 10, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111. So only the 10 digits from 0 to 9 are represented in BCD form. All other 4-bit combinations are invalid in BCD representation. To find the BCD of a decimal number, what we have to do? So we have to replace each decimal digit with appropriate 4-bit code. That means, suppose here 97 is the decimal number. I need to convert this to BCD form. So write the BCD of 9, that means 1001 and write the BCD of 7, which is 0, 1, 1, 1. Now you combine the bits. Now you get the BCD of 97. It is so simple. For each digit, write the BCD code. That's all. For converting BCD to decimal, we have to start from the rightmost end. Make a group of 4 bits from the right to left and write the decimal digit represented by 4-bit group. For example, convert 10000110 to decimal. You start from the rightmost end, that means the least significant bit, and make a group of 4 bits like this. This is the first group, and then start from the next bit and make another group of 4 bits. Now you write the 4-bit, the BCD equivalent of this 4-bit group. Here it is 0110 is equivalent to 6. Here 1000 in BCD is written as 8. Sorry, in decimal it is written as 8. So 86 is the decimal equivalent of the given BCD number. The conversion is so simple. Make a group of 4 bits from the rightmost end, then write the decimal digit equivalent. We have seen weighted number system, and in decimal number system the weights of the digits are powers of 10. In binary the weights are powers of 2. In octal weights are powers of 8, and in hexadecimal weights are powers of 16. And binary coded decimal, which is a weighted code, and normally used binary code, BCD code, is known as the 8421 code, and 8421 represents the weights of the 4 bits of the BCD code. And how can we convert a decimal number to BCD? For conversion, get the decimal number, and for each decimal digit write the equivalent in BCD as 4 bits. And for converting BCD to decimal, make a group of 4 bits and write the equivalent in decimal. Now we can see some of the questions. Find the BCD of 45. For writing, you just write what is the BCD of 5, and then to the left side what is the BCD of 4. So BCD of 5 is, so the final answer is 0100 0101. So let's see, B is the answer. Next one. BCD stands for binary coded number, binary coded digit, binary coded decimal, binary code digit. Answer is binary coded decimal. Which of the following is an invalid BCD code? I have already mentioned we have 10 valid BCD codes corresponding to 10 decimal symbols 0 to 9, and other binary 4-bit binary groups are invalid in BCD. So here the question is, which of the following is an invalid BCD code? Invalid BCD code. 1001 is valid, 1010 is invalid, 1000 is equivalent to 8, it is valid, 0011 is also valid. So the invalid group is 1010. Next, what is the BCD of 970? Decimal number is given, and corresponding to each decimal digit write the 4-bit BCD code. So for 9 we will be having 1001 and 7 is 0111, then 0 is 0000. So A is the correct answer. The references used in the session are Digital Fundamentals by Thomas T. Floyd and Digital Principles and Applications by Malvin Umlich. See you in the next session. Till then, bye.